Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The only other trick to making chocolate-covered strawberries is that the strawberries must be very, very dry. If you have any water left from rinsing or any sticky bruised areas, the coating doesn't stick to the strawberry as well. Drops of water can also make your chocolate seize up and become grainy as you dip. 5 June 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
You may use Hershey Chocolate Kisses instead of chocolate chips as substitute. Hershey Kisses do not melt very well because they are coated with wax to help maintain the shape when melted. Nuke in a microwave sand bowl on medium heat for 15 seconds, stir after each duration until the chocolate melts smoothly. 19 August 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.